హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నేను మీ జ్యోతి స్వరూప్ ఫ్రమ్ జేఎస్ ఎడిట్స్. మనం పెడుతున్నటువంటి వీడియోని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకుండా చూసిన వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువ మంది ఉన్నారు. సో వీడియో చూసేటప్పుడు అక్కడ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి బెల్ ఐకాన్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేసి చూసుకుంటే మా అప్డేట్స్ ఇంకా మీకు బాగా వస్తాయి. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Today we are discussing another SSC GD Reasoning expected paper. So let us go for the first question. This is the paper folding. The image is like this. So let us understand in this way. The triangle like this. So if you open it, this is like this, and the upper part is like this. If you this is the output. So where it was, so this one down, so option A will be eliminated. This is like this, so option A, this is also eliminated, so option C will be the correct answer to this question. And the next one is, this is the sitting arrangement related to sitting. So let us go for the first statement. They are facing towards north. What is the north? South, east, west. So they are facing towards north. Now if they are facing towards north, what is the left of them? This is the left side, this is the right side. So please remember that one. This is the right side, this is the left side. The first statement is, P1 is placed to immediate left of P6. If P6 is here, what is the left to his? So this is, so here P1 is. So next we choose the next equation which are related to P1 and P6. So here P4 is second to the right of P6. The second, if P6 is here, what is the right side? This side. So second to the right is P4. And the next statement is, P4 is immediate right of P5. If P5 is here, the right side is this side, so P4 is here. And the next one is, P3 is towards the left of P1. The left of P1 is this side, so here P3. So there will be another equation. P5 is placed second to the left of P2. P5 is placed second to the left of P2. If P2 is here, left side is this side, so P5 is second to the left. So this is the positioning. And how many phones are placed between P3 and P6? Here P3, let us show in different color. This is P3, this is P6. How many are placed between this? 1. So only P1. So options B will be the correct answer to this question. This is also a sitting arrangement, but order is one another above, like this. If 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here, 5 is here. So let us understand the equations. T3 is just above T1. T3 is just above T1. And the next one is, T5 is at bottom. T5 is at bottom. So next one is, there are two tables between T2 and T5. So if T5 is here, this is the bottom. There is no chance to place T2 is bottom of T5. So there will be this only the chance. And the next equation is, number of tables above T4 are same as the number of tables below the T5. If this is the bottom, T5 is bottom, so there is no elements no tables placed between T5. So above the T4 is, there is no, because that one is the upper one. So this is the order. What is the correct, what is the question? Which of the following is correct position of T1? T1 positioning. T1 position is what? Above the T1 is just above the T5. So option A will be the correct answer to this question. The next one is rafts. Rafts is coded as rafts. Rafts is coded as 96432. And the next one is Weber. Weber is coded as 75169. What about the fraft? So let us search for the logic. Here F is coded as 4. Let us show in different color. F is coded as 4. So 4. R is coded as this one 9. R is coded as directly. R is coded as 9. A is coded as 6. W is coded as 7. T is coded as 3. 49673. Option A will be the correct answer to this question. The next one is horsed. Horsed is coded as horsed. Horsed is coded as epipole. So let us go for the alphanumeric values. H value is 8. So let us directly written the numbers. H value is 8. O is 15. R is 18. S is 19. E is 5. D is 4. And A is 1. B is 2. P is 16. O is 15. L is 12. E is 5. Let us check further what is the logic behind this. So here the last one is 4, here 1, that is minus 3. Here 5, 3, minus 3. 19, 16, minus 3. 18, 15, minus 3. 15, 12, minus 3. 8, 5, minus 3. So in this way we are do this. Prison. Prison code is P is 16, R is 18, I is 9, S is 19, O is 15, N is 14. So 14 minus 3 is 11. 11 is K. And 15 minus 3 is 12. KL. So option D will be the correct answer. Let us not for searching for other values. So the next one is, which of the signs are changing? The output is correct. So let us change with division with minus and minus with division. So let us go for the first option. 10 plus 9 divided by 4 into 12 minus 6. Sorry, this one 4. So 11 plus 9 by 4 into 12 minus 6. 9, 4 1s are 4 3s are 9 3s are 27. 27 minus 6 plus 11. 27 minus 6 is 21. 21 plus 11 is 32. So option A will be the correct answer to this question. So the next series completion. JG, F, C. What is the J position? J is 10, J is 7, F is 6, C is 3. How it comes? 10 minus 4, 7 minus 4. Let us check for the next ones. So F, C, B, Y. F is 6, Y, B is 3. Sorry, C is 3. B is 2, Y is 25. So minus 4. This is also minus 4. If B is, let us go for this way. B backward to the C. B, A, Z. Only 3 elements, 3 and Y. 4 elements are left. So 4. So our logic is correct. So let us go for the output. X and U. X is 24. U is 21. What is the minus 4? Is 20. This is 17. So 20 is T. 17 is Q. So option D will be the correct answer to this question. And the next one is figure completion. So here we can observe that this is figure completion. This is the line will be there. So where it is, this one no, this is also no, this is, there is a line. Okay, this is also have the line, this is also have the line, this is also have the line. So let us go for the next options. This option A will be already eliminated. So what is the output? This is the output. These two are joining here. This is also here. This is no. This is also no. This is here. This is joining at here. So option B will be the correct answer to this question. So the next one is, what is the this equation is replaced with multiplication is replaced with division. Division is replaced with multiplication. 9 plus 143 into 13 minus divided by 11 minus 160. So let us go for the 143 into 11 by 13 by 11 minus 160. 11 ones are 11 13s 11 13s are 13 13s are 169. 169 minus 160 is 9 plus. This is 9, this is 9. Total 18. Option A will be the correct answer. So completion of this series. 13 minus 12. 13 minus 22 is 9. This is 11. This is 15. This is 21. So here the 2 is added, here 4 is added, here 6 is added. So next 8 is added. 21 plus 8 is 29. So 69 plus 29, 98. So option C will be the correct answer to this question. So this is the image rotations. So here the image is like, here the image is like this. So here. So next it will rotate clockwise direction with 45 degrees. 45 degrees only. Here the images arrows are all like this. Here arrows are all like this. So the next image is all arrows like this, and the this is like this. Where is the output? Here there is another excess arrow, so that is not correct. And here the 3 arrows are towards this side, so this is also wrong. Here there is a missing of 1 arrow, so this is also wrong. Option B will be the correct answer to this question. And the next one is completion of the table. So how can we get using 7 6 3 get 48? So let us go for that one. So 7 plus 6 plus 3, so that is 16. 16 3s are 3 18 3 48. So we got the logic. Let us check for the next options also. 4 9 8. The output is 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 4 21. 21 3s are 63. So our logic is correct. So 2 plus 5 plus 7, that is 14. 14 3s are 3 14s are 42. So option D will be the correct answer to this question. So next one, this is related to syllogisms. Some P's are Q's. Some P's are Q's. And some S's are R. Some S's are R. No R is Q. There is no relationship between these two. Sorry. Let us use a different color. There is no relationship between Q and R. Conclusion number 1 is some S are Q. There is no relationship between S and Q. This was wrong. And the next conclusion is Q. Some Q are P. Some Q are P. This portion of the Q are P. So option, the conclusion number 2 is correct. Some R are S. So this portion of R are S. So option only 2 and 3 follows. 2 and 3 follows. Option B will be the correct answer to. Next, the completion of the series 197 220 244. What is the difference between this one is 23. This is 24. Next 269. This is 25. So this difference between these two is 26. So the next one is 296 295 plus 27. So this is 322 will be the correct answer to this question. So option B will be the correct answer. And the next one is relation. Next is related to bird. Means bird is lives in nest. So palace. In palace who are lives? Only kings are lives. So option D will be the correct answer to this question. And the next one is the relation between 31 and 963. How it gets? Because 31 and 963, there is a no chance of addition and subtraction. We go for the multiplication only. So 31 square equal to 961 plus 2 equal to 963. So in the same way, 17 square plus 2. 17 square equal to 289. 289 plus 1 equal to 291. Option A will be the correct answer. The hidden images. So where it is? This image is here. In this there is no vertical line. In this is the line, but there is no. This is also no. So here the image is here. So option D will be the correct answer to this question. And the completion of the series. GUN is related with JYS. G is in numerical 7, U is 21, N is 14. J is 10, Y is 25, S is 19. So 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So we know the logic and let us check for the options. TOL. T is 20, O is 15, L is 12, W is 23, S is 19, Q is 17. So this is plus 3, plus 4 and plus 5. So option A will be the correct answer to this question. And the next one is, this is about sitting arrangements. 5 teachers are sitting in a row. This is also a related to sitting arrangements. So let us go for this. Direction facing towards south. South means they are sitting like this. If they are sitting towards this is the left side and this is the right side. Let us go for the first equation. K is sitting second to the right of R. If R is here, right side is this side. So here K is sitting. And the next one is M is sitting immediate right of P. So M is sitting immediate right of P. If P is here, right side is this side, so M is here. And 2 teachers are sitting between M and A. There is a 2 possibility ways, M and A. If M is here, A is here. And another way is M, P, A. This is also a possibility. These 2 are possible ways. Let us fit for this. Only 5 teachers are there. If K is here, M is replaced with R. So this is not at all possible. So here this is the possible. So M, P, K, A, R. Who is sitting immediate left of R? If person is sitting here, the A is sitting. So option D will be the correct answer to this question. And